Thirikari kuhitukira ministry ya githomo nirikitie kwandikira arutani anene a thukuru cia kuinukwo guku bururi-ini ikienda kunyihia mbeca iria irihagira arutwo aya kuma mwaka twerekeire. Niriendekithia rimenereirio na njira nene ni Mũmbunge wa Kiharu Ndindi Nyoro akiuga riu murigo ucio gukuithio aciari aria matari marahumuka kumana na ngarama ya iguru ya muturire.
Now the government has written to our principals in these schools that now the parent will be paying 9,300 shillings on top of what they have been paying for food, and therefore they are taking the fee for day schools from what was around 12,000 across the country per year, that the learners will be made to pay over 20,000 shillings per year in our day schools. We cannot allow that to happen, kwa sababu huyu mtu ambaye anaambiwa alipe hiyo fedha akikosa, huyo mtu atakuwa gharama kubwa hata kwa nchi kama hatapata elimu. Those who are in government, look at us very clearly, and I'm looking at you directly. We are not going to allow any leader to play around with free basic education in Kenya.
Ndindi arauga ona thirikari yagirirwo kweheria marihi mothe ma bithi niguo arutwo othe makagia na kanya ga guthoma hatari na mihingo yothe.
I want to request our leaders, all the money we are using to manage politics in Kenya is more than enough to send to our day schools, to make even day schools free in Kenya.
Oroho no endekithitie arutani a junior secondary aria makoretwo mandikitwo na kandarathi iri irathira muico-ini wa mwaka uyu mandikwo na mutaratara wa gutura.
The government must confirm to permanent and pensionable terms all the 20,000 interns in our JSS institutions. And if they say there is no budget for that, I have been there. There are many ways of doing it. The government has a leeway of spending up to 10% of the money outside of the budget. Under the article called 223, they can bring to parliament for ratification later.
Ningĩ no okĩrĩire thirikari nĩ kĩrĩa ugĩte nĩ wanangi wa mbeca maũndũ-inĩ moteti, mbeca iria ugĩte no ihũthĩke gũkinyanĩria maũndũ mothii wa na mbere bũrũri-inĩ.
1 billion shillings is spent in an event just to manage politics. We need to come back to our basics. Let us come to our basics. Siasa itatisort kama tutafanyia wananchi kazi.
Arĩtie arĩ kanitha-inĩ wa Full Gospel taũni-inĩ ya Mũrang'a kũrĩa mekũnganagia mbeca cia gũthiĩ na mbere gwaka kanitha ũcio. Iribotera Inooro TV kuma kaunti ya Mũrang'a, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Victor Kĩnuthia.